You're welcome to my channel. Today I am so happy because we are going to make bread buns. Now this is so delicious and it is also very good. Let's get started. So we are going to use 10 milligram of melted butter, milk flavor 5 milligram, nutmeg 2.5 milligram, baking powder 3 milligram, and then salt 5 grams. We're also going to use 8 grams of yeast, 1 egg, and 35 grams of butter, and then we have a cup of water. These are the ingredients or the recipe that we are going to use. And in a clean bowl we are going to pour our flour, 300 grams of all-purpose flour, and you can use your disposable plate. Just fill it to brim, let it be flat surface, filled, and then you can use it as the measurement in case you don't have a scale. And so you just pour it there, and you can see how beautiful, and my children, everyone is excited waiting for the end result. I tell you, it's an amazing product. Please do well to tell me where you are watching from on the comment section. I will love to hear from you. So let's turn in our melted butter. You can also use your oil. And now because we are frying it, you don't need too much butter. So we add every item one by one, and you can see how beautiful it looks. Step by step, I'm going to give you a well-detailed step-by-step procedure so that you will do the same thing. Now I traveled to Imo State, and I found out that this is one of the snacks that is in almost every shop, and so you can turn this to be a business. And some of the things I'm using are optional, like the milk flavor, the nutmeg. You can choose any flavor of your choice and reduce some of the things, and you are still good to go. So we are going to mix it gradually. Now you observe that I did not add the yeast. Now the reason is that it's not always good to add the yeast in direct contact with salt. That was why I mixed a little bit before adding the yeast, and then I turn in my granulated sugar. So I'm going to mix these things and create a space for the water. So I'm going to do it gradually, and so that I will get the right consistency. I tell you, now at this point I have to create the space at the middle for the water that is needed, the right quantity of water. Now you don't need to add the water at once. You have to add it gradually. Ensure that the dough is not fluffy, because it's not just bread that you're going to bake. Is something you're going to fry. So since you're going to fry it, and that little crispiness, the inside should be a little bit fluffy, while the outside should be a little bit crunchy and crispy. That is the magic. So if you just fry a fluffy bread buns, then you have missed it. And so I'm going to transfer it to the table and knead. Now you don't need to knead like normal bread dough. You have to just knead it in a way that it will just allow everything to be blended, and also you have to make sure that the dough is a little bit strong. I am emphasizing on it. That is very important. So whether it is smooth or not is not the problem, but have the right consistency. You can see the way I'm doing. After a little kneading, I have, and this is what I have. You can see that it's somehow rough, and we are going to make use of it. So I'm going to sprinkle some dry flour in my bowl, and then transfer it into the bowl and send it to the fridge. Let it rest. If you don't have a refrigerator, you can actually just allow it to rest. After a while, this is what I have. It did not kick because it was in the fridge and the temperature was low, and you just press it a little bit flat. I'm going to divide it into 2 portions, and that is because I want it to be easy for me to roll. That is just the secret. So I'm going to roll it in a way that the thickness I need will be formed. So it must not be all that flat. Now, after the rolling, I have to sprinkle some dry flour so that there will be little separations in between, and that is the magic. That is the signature of these bread buns. That space must be there between the lines, and that is the right definition of it. I tell you, this is so delicious, very delicious, and my children cannot wait to start enjoying it. It's good for breakfast. It goes well with your tea. Now roll it like this and don't press it too strong. Just 2 times of rolling or 3 times, it will be enough. And then you cut to the sizes you desire. You can see it very, very nice. I am so happy because it's coming out well, very smooth and nice. You can see it well. Now you can see some space in between the middle of the dough. This is very good. I told you that is the signature, that is the definition of it. And after all, you can see how it looks, and this is what we really desire. You can see all after cutting we have about 17 pieces. This is so lucrative if you can turn it to be a business. Now I have to set my oil. I'm going to deep fry it, so I need 1 liter of oil. I just use 1 liter of oil, king's oil, to fry it. So I use this off cut to test whether the fire is hot enough. Then I started introducing one by one. At this point, drop your comment. Where are you watching from, and do you love this recipe? Please tell me at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. We can also train you if you need an ebook on bread business. We have it. We have everything you need, so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Please give me a like. Click that like button. Like the video. Like the video. Please like this video. Now at this stage, I have to flip them, and so that I will have that golden, beautiful color. That is what I want. By calculation, I found out that if you prepare this for sale, you are going to make profit. I tell you, it will be about 40% profit. That means if you spend 100 naira in production, you are going to raise 140. That means 40 naira is going to be profit if you spend 100 naira. If you spend 1,000 naira, you are going to gain 400 naira in profit. No wonder in every street and a corner of Imo State that I went, that part of Imo Street I went, I saw it in every store. I tell you, in every retail store. So at this point, I have to remove them. You can see how beautiful they look. Very, very nice. I tell you, I was just salivating. Now you can see it's very nice, and you can see the inside. Beautiful and yummy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click on that notification bell. Don't forget to like this video. See you in our next video. Bye bye. God bless you.